All right, folks, we've been arguing over the rice. I said go with this one. It looked better. Plus, it was a peso cheaper. She said go with the blueberry, but it's a peso more expensive. And I think that my rice is better than hers. Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you. Oh, rock it out, baby. Looking beautiful today. My goodness. Got those Daisy Dukes on. Baby, what's the science? Can you explain the science and the art behind picking out what kind of rice we buy? Because see, I'm from America, and rice is like rice. We're used to a rice brand called Uncle Ben's instant rice. Yeah, let's go with the jasmine right there. I don't know. I guess I'm getting better at picking rice, but my rice just looked much better than this one over here. Why did you decide to go with this one?
This is it's big. It's like that. It's big.
No, mine's bigger than yours.
It's big.
Hey man, I want to give you a shout out. Met a new friend named Phil. Shout out to you, buddies. Nice meeting you. And we just picked up 4 kilos of rice. Fatima said we got to have a broom. So we are on the hunt for a broom so she can beautify the crib. See if we can find one. Oh yeah, they got brooms right there. Got the brooms, baby. Hello.
Walis tingting, walis tambo. Anong gusto mong walis, yung Baguio o yung Baguio? O yung Provincia? O yung Baguio? 150. Ito naman ano ito. Sakong bato ito eh. 150 rin.
Which one? This one?
Yung Baguio.
This one.
Oh, is one of the brooms from Baguio?
Oh, Baguio na gusto niya Baguio.
I like Baguio.
Yeah.
How much that?
Like Pampanga.
Magkano yan?
180. 180.
180.
So this is the Pampanga broom?
Okay.
No, and this is the Baguio broom?
Baguio.
Well, it looks to me like the Baguio broom is better.
See?
Baguio and big and small.
Okay, then what's the price on this one?
150.
So 150 versus 180.
Big, small, big.
Is that too big for the place or no?
That's okay.
Okay, I like the Baguio broom, my friend. Let's go with the Baguio broom.
Yeah, Baguio.
Isa ko yan.
Yeah, we'll take that.
Oh, Baguio.
All right. Thank you very much, my friend. Baby,
Okay.
see how the feel of that broom is.
Broom.
That's a good feel.
It's okay. It's fine.
Yeah, you can fan me, baby.
Uy.
All right, baby. Don't sweep the street. Get my Baguio broom dirty before you get it to the house. My gosh. All right, folks. Unloading some feed here. Gentleman unloading feed. Thank you very much, my friend. We certainly appreciate it, man. Thank you. All right, folks. We got our broom. Now she can go to work. Man, that Baguio's got good quality to it. I don't know. Is that electrical tape on the handle? Sort of looks like electrical tape. Baby, you're so beautiful with that broom. Keep walking down the street like that. She's doing the billionaire strut. Okay. Now, the dude said 180, then he said 190. I don't know, folks. When I'm filming and I'm looking at the camera.
180.
Okay, we got it for 180. So 150 is $3, 20.46. So $3.60 on that broom. So baby, is it bad luck to take a used broom to a new house? They always say you have to buy a new broom, right?
I don't know. I don't know.
You ain't never heard that? Maybe that's Thailand. So many superstitions, I forget which country they apply to. But I think it's something about, my goodness, beautiful lady rolling in that tricycle. Now what can I do? Something about you don't take a used broom to a new place, right? You buy a new broom for a new place. It's bad luck if you take an old broom from one house to your new house, and then you have bad luck at the new house. So you don't want to do that. What you want to do is go get you a Baguio broom. Don't get the Pampanga broom. That shit looks weak. That shit looked like it'd fall apart on day one. Man, shout out to the broom builders in Baguio. Let me see that. Folks, that is triple stitch. That is triple stitch. It looks like, oh yeah, I got electrical tape on the grip. That way if I need to do any electrical wiring, shit, I probably got 5 feet of electrical tape right there. Triple stitch, just got a wider girth. Don't be picking on the electrical tape. So that was a good purchase right there. But whoever's I don't want to say nothing bad about nobody, but I mean, they are cheaper. So the Pampanga brooms are cheaper. But for me, I'm a Baguio broom player. I'm trying to figure out why she got to carry the broom and I'm carrying 4 kilos of rice. How'd that happen, baby?
Huh?
Why are you carrying that broom and I'm carrying the heavy rice? I'm not the one who wanted the rice. Here, you carry the backpack, let me carry that broom, baby. Wife number one looking all kind of beautiful today with them Daisy Dukes. I said, who's that girl with them Daisy Dukes on? That Fresh Out is not open right there. Might be open later today, who knows? Maybe just start knocking on doors and ask people if they need their house swept out. Your mobile broom service. Huh? 10 pesos she'll sweep. 10 pesos she'll sweep out their downstairs. Extra 5 pesos she'll do the upstairs. Okay?
Then you get the money?
Of course I'm gonna get the money. Maybe somebody's got to be the comptroller of the kingdom, and that would be me. The king handles all the finances of the kingdom. That's just the way it's going to be. You just have to keep watching out for her unauthorized purchases and snatching of my change. For some reason, her hair is looking extra beautiful today, like she got an unauthorized salon visit somehow. I don't even know how that happens. Did you go to the salon? Look at her. Looks like her hair is straight, like somebody cut it recently.
Because I'm not up my hair.
Because what?
I'm not put a pony band.
I'm not to put a food in there?
Pony band.
Oh, I'm not put a ponytail. I thought she said food in there. Okay, Kapoy means tired, folks. Now this girl's only, baby, how old are you? 28? How old are you? Huh? Whatever, she's 20 something. And she goes for a walk and 5 minutes later she's complaining she's Kapoy. Here I am, a pirate looking at 50. I could run 10 keys right now. 10 keys, mid 10 clicks, no problem. Got a liquor ban going on here in Angeles City, folks. What can you do? Awful quiet here today. Look at that sky, look at that sunshine, no rain. Streets dry as a bone. The blue suede shoes dry as a bone. Loving it. What? I have no idea what you're saying because you're not facing me and you're wearing the damn mask on your face.
I'm talking to myself, not you.
Oh, okay. All right, folks, Chinese snack. They turned that huge house into some type of Chinese snack center. And got the good old B&B grill with a sign that says something. It says something, oh, under new management. Under new management. Okay. What the guy says under new management, so we'll have to go in there and check out the service and the food. See what's changed. See what has changed. Just walking through Hinsonville, folks. Still got the Ukai store over here. Plenty of Ukai to the left side of the aircraft. Fatima, don't even think about it.
Yeah, I ordered the fish.
Don't be thinking about it. Don't do it. Just keep marching, baby. Look at her, folks. She's veering left to the port side. Up, 2, 3, 4. Step it out, baby. Step it out. Don't even think. Don't even slow down. Keep rolling. You just got a big ticket purchase today with your new broom, baby. Because I take care of my ladies. I even got her, folks. I got her the best broom they had. That's because I'm a good foreign guy. I like to take care of my ladies. All right, folks. I'm gonna test Giselle out. See, we taught her how to use the radio. Here we go. Giselle. Hello, she hit the button.
Hello?
Giselle, everything okay there? Everything okay? Is everything okay with the babies?
Oh, yes.
Okay, thanks. She's so sweet. All right, here we go, folks. Now, wife number one, the beautiful wife number one. Who's that girl with them Daisy Dukes on? Who's them girl? All right, baby, let's go ahead and do a good demonstration of that Baguio Broom, baby. Baby, stop pulling on the bristles of the Baguio Broom. Baby, what are you doing? It's designed to be wide. All right, baby, rock it out. Show us the skills that you got with that broom on the Baguio Broom.
Wide.
Yeah, that means you can sweep more floors more hurriedly, more quickly. What I'm thinking about doing is starting a cleaning service. Okay? Yeah, 20 pesos to sweep, but she'll wear Daisy Dukes if you pay her 100 pesos. Good job, baby girl. My goodness, folks. You see how good I take care of my ladies? I bought her the best broom, the Baguio Broom, because I want her to be most comfortable when she's sweeping the crib. My goodness. Excellent job, baby. Excellent job. But you know what? Let's give Giselle a try and see what her opinion of the Baguio Broom is, okay? I'm telling you, man, this thing, look at that. Triple stitched. Okay, triple stitch. You got this metal around it. It's wrapped. It's wrapped in tape, but they've edged out. Oh my gosh, it even says Baguio. I didn't realize that. Baguio City. Man, that's a good. All right, folks, we got the beautiful Giselle. I'm gonna demonstrate the Baguio Broom. All right, now give us an honest opinion, Giselle. How is this broom? It's okay? Is it perhaps the best broom you've ever used? Okay, folks, there you go. She said it's the best broom she's ever used because I got to take care of my ladies. Yeah, it's nice and wide, right? So you don't have to take as much time. All right, so Giselle loves it. Fatima, it'll have to grow on Fatima. Look at that, folks. Folks, Giselle is using the Baguio Broom to get the remote from the back where the Forrest G just slid it through under the TV.
What's that?
Oh, we're in a crisis situation here, baby. Forrest G threw the TV remote and I can't reach it. But the Baguio Broom, is coming through. Okay, ladies. Just admit it, Fatima. How excited are you about the new Baguio Broom? Huh?
It's big, like it's nice.
I know, baby. It's so nice. Oh, la.